Yesterday, mayroong bagong nagsoli ng pera, mga about 15 million, no? Isa sa mga contractors na nasasangkot nga dito sa anomalous flood control projects. At hindi lang yon, over the past couple of weeks or months, sila Bryce Hernandez and others were able to, return some of the what's left or whatever doon sa kanilang mga allegedly nakuha from these projects. So, what happened then to these, what will happen to these returned money, returned assets, and what will happen to these supposedly mga contractors, 'di ba, na nagsoli ng kanilang mga allegedly nanakaw?
So first, they will still be criminally liable, no? Kasi kaya nga sila nagsoli because they did something wrong, no? They committed an offense. But as to the degree of liability, that will still be determined by first yung prosecutors, kung kakasuhan pa ba sila, sasama pa ba sila sa indictment, or they will be witnesses, etc., etc. Or kung nasama na sila sa indictment, the court will now determine kung anong gagawin sa kanila. Now, as to the money, it also depends, no? Kung it will be used for evidence, then ang magkakaroon ng custody dyan would be the court. I-deposito yan, and the court will be responsible for that. Meron namang may paraan for the courts to keep that amount of money, no? So ganun yung mangyayari. Definitely the fact na nagsoli ng pera, ibig sabihin an offense was committed.
There's an admission, right? No?
It's an admission of participation in that offense, in that crime. Ang aalamin na lang natin kung
gaano kalalim
anong liability at kung anong mangyayari doon sa taong yon if indicted na.
Kung gaano kalalim yung participation nila.